Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, Mana, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. $21. The resulting evening star candle pattern tumbled the altcoin by 9%, bringing it to the $18.9 local support. The technical revealed a double top pattern breakout from the $18.9 neckline on February 21st, which intensified the ongoing selling pressure. On February 24th, the sellers attempted to follow up on this breakdown and pull the price below $17.7 support. However, intense buying pressure accounted for a 13% long tail rejection, resulting in a daily candle closing above the $17.7 mark. Today, the KCS price is 4% up and challenges the shared resistance of $18.9 in 100-day EMA. A bullish breakout from this level provides a first signal to recovery and a potential gain of 10%, reaching the $21 mark. On a contrary note, as sellers slip the altcoin below the bottom SUPPORT, $17.7, the coin price would retest the January low SUPPORT, $15. KCS technical indicator analysis: the flattish 100 and 200-day EMA indicates a sideways rally. Furthermore, the KCS price has been sandwiched between these EMAs, providing an additional confirmation upon the breakout from either of these levels. The relative strength INDEX60 slope is on the verge of crossing above the 14 SMA and midline, suggesting a positive turn in market sentiment. Resistance levels $19 and $21, support levels $17. $165. The next news, Crypto Weekly Roundup. Ukraine's move to legalize crypto, Morgan's foray into the metaverse, the OpenSea hack, and more. The crypto market has had another eventful week with several significant developments. Some of the biggest developments from the previous week include JP Morgan opening its Onyx Lounge in Decentraland, becoming the first bank in the metaverse. Ukraine's quick resolution to legalize cryptocurrencies in the face of escalating border tensions. On the flip side, if the Mana price breaks the vital support around $2.20, it would invalidate the bullish outlook. On moving down, immediate support is located around $2.0, the level last seen in January. And the next news about Mana is assessing Mana's potential to hold itself above key levels. Over the past 10 days, Decentraland, Mana, hovered near its high liquidity range, point of control POC, at the $2.6 mark, before the bears steered the trend in their favor. The close below the $2.36 support could propel a continued retracement in its falling wedge, white. An eventual break from the current pattern would set Mana up for a test of the immediate supply zone in the $2.4 zone. At press time, Mana traded at $2.3835, down by 2.58% in the last 24 hours. After downsliding from its at then poking its multi-month low in late January, the $3.3 level shunned all bullish recovery attempts. Despite this, the bulls have ensured higher troughs, but failed to uphold the 11-week-long trendline support, now resistance, white, dashed. Over the last 5 days, Mana descended in a falling wedge, white, on its 4 chart. The price is now approaching a squeeze phase after a steep 2-day plunge. Also, the recent bearish engulfing candlestick created a near-term supply zone for the alt in the $2.4 zone. Ambitious vision calls for rare mindshare, and I can't think of a better creative and product thinker than Bob to collaborate with in bringing this all to reality. Disney itself has been making moves into the non-fungible token, NFT, space, launching digital golden statues of iconic Disney characters with digital collectibles brand Vive. Heineken pokes fun at the metaverse mania with the world's first virtual beer in an apparent app at all the action going on in the metaverse. Dutch brewing giant Heineken has debuted what it claimed to be the world's first virtual beer on Decentraland. The move is nothing more than a joke. Heineken announced the launch in a press release on Thursday. Dubbed Heineken Silver, the beer will only be available at the company's metaverse brewery in Decentraland. Taking its joke further, Heineken invited several real journalists to witness the launch of its fake beer, later adding that guests received a treat of pixelated lobster and caviar at the launch event. According to the brewing giant, the whole idea behind the virtual beer is to poke fun at us, and many other brands, that have jumped on the metaverse bandwagon. Describing the ingredients in Heineken Silver, the company said it is made out of the freshest pixels. No malt, no hops, no yeast, no water, and also, no beer. While having a virtual beer may come in handy in a gaming environment, Heineken believes that certain things are best enjoyed in real life, and brews are definitely with Russia. OpenSea becoming the target of a hack that saw NFTs worth millions stolen, a new crypto fund, and much more. Let's look at some of the biggest developments in the crypto space from the week gone by. Ethereum Twitter adds Ether's payment option to its tip jar. Twitter has announced the addition of several payment options for its tip jar, including Ethereum, allowing users to send Ether's tips. Ethereum's inclusion in Twitter's tip jar feature is in line with Twitter's initiative to take payments options to a more inclusive stage. With the addition of Ether as a payment option, smartphone users will be able to add Ethereum addresses to their list of options. Along with that, Twitter will also switch in 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.